First you gotta select the video clip like this. So if you wanna trim the footage, just click and hold for a few seconds at the starting point of the yellow marks like this. And now drag it to the right side a little bit like this. And if you want, you can trim the video footage from the ending point too. Just click and hold for a few seconds at the ending point, and now drag it to the left side a little bit like this. Now if you want to have some cuts in the middle of the clip, how can you do this? So first you gotta select the video clip like this, and now look at the right side, you get some tools here. Just click on trim and split option. If you click on trim left option, the left portion from the red vertical bar will be deleted. Okay, for example, I've clicked here on trim left, the left portion has been deleted. Okay, now if you click on trim right option, the right portion from the red vertical bar is deleted. Okay, now if you select the third option, I mean split, you will cut your clip exactly at the same position where the red vertical bar is there. Okay, so this is how you can cut and trim your video clips in Kinemaster project. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your query, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative tutorial videos, then subscribe right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.